Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create thumbnails on CapCut PC. So go to the part where you want to make it like your cover, maybe here. Go to the cover section. Just gonna wait for it to load a little bit. It does take quite some time when you just opened it up. So just be patient with me, alright? Okay. And then here you can select from the many templates that they have here. Maybe this one. I mean, this is not a quality, but travel vlog, daily vlog, sorry. And just select the one that you think matches your video the most. You can also select the colors from these as well. This one like matches it with the video or the photo. You can also upload another photo if you don't want to use the video. You can add in text, some shapes, some stickers. You can add in frames. You can make it a collage, etc., etc. Again, you can change the text here, and there's just a lot of options here you can choose from as well. But yeah, that is how you can create a thumbnail. Once you're done, just press save. And then when you export it, you can it's going to be exported with the cover in like a separate file from your video. You can also add video cover at the beginning, but if you don't want to, you can just take it off and export. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!